Welcome to Hands-On at Home. I'm Heather Placco, the program manager, and today we're going to be doing ice cube painting. You'll need a couple of supplies to get started. A thick sheet of paper, watercolor paper or butcher paper works best, but any thick paper that can withstand water will do. Something to paint with inside of, like a shallow baking dish. Popsicle sticks for the paintbrush holders itself. Paintbrushes so you can swirl the paint around if you like, and then any number of colors that you would like of food coloring or watercolors also work. And you'll also need an ice cube tray to make your ice cube paints. So you'll put a little bit of water in with a couple of drops in each one of your colors of choice. And you'll want to try to prop up the sticks if you can while they're freezing, but if you can't, it works just fine to lay them to one side or the other. And they should freeze just fine like that. I've already pre-made mine, so I will grab those now. And here are my watercolors. So you can see I have a bunch of really nice different colors. If you want to lay them all out, you can. This is a great make-ahead activity. It's also a great activity to teach color mixing if you only wanted to give them If you only wanted to do primary colors, so you could do just red, yellow, and blue, and have them mix colors to create secondary colors or tertiary colors from secondary colors, and you can really just have fun with it. So you can also, if you're done with them and they're not quite completely used up, you can also refreeze them. So you could put them back in and put it back in the freezer for future fun. So we'll go ahead and paint a little bit with ours now. Now I opted to paint with just the ice cubes because I think it gives a really fun texture. So I'll do just a little painting with each. And it's really colorful and beautiful. And you can see the colors meld really well together. So you can have a lot of fun painting with ice cube paints. Now I have one that's already completed and dried. So if it wrinkles up like this and you want it to flatten, a really good thing to do is to press it with books for a few days and it should flatten out rather nicely for you. Thank you for joining us today at Hands-On at Home for ice cube painting, and a special thank you and shout out for our members and our Visionary Society members who make educational programs just like this happen every day. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.